I'm too excited for what's in this box. I'm finally doing it. I'm finally opening as many of my dolls as I can before my birthday. It is September 30th. If this month goes to 31st, then it is the 31st. If not, it is the 1st of October. Happy spooky season. Official. Y'all know I love Halloween. The only reason I'm not dressed up right now is because it's literally 7 in the morning and I let my bossy thoughts literally win. So I really wanted to open my Bratzdolls because I got this last year for my birthday. I'm gonna start. Hi, neighbor doggy. Did I prepare a post of the dolls? I will do in a sec. I'm gonna take them all. Do you guys care about anything like that? Do you guys care about what the bottom of the box is? Tag boxes say? Do you care? You know, I'm dyslexic. You want me to be? I will. Hi. Bonjour. I can't speak French. I'm able to pretend. I would love to. Maybe that'll be a new goal. Learn another language. Spanish. I want to pretend to know what language that is. And that one might be Mandarin. That one might be, because I spotted it and I did just put my hand on it. This is another Chloe doll. This is from the Always Bratz collection. Is this the only collection? Okay, so story time. Since I have started collecting dolls again, and like, I think I started in 2021. I could be wrong about that. I don't know. I could have started in 2021, but I have not been able to get a complete line. Like, I'll have a Sasha, Jade, and then Chloe. No Yasmin. I'm gonna say this now. I'm tired of all you bitches buying up the Yasmin. It says, hey, my name is Chloe, and my fashion passion changes with my mood. Sometimes it's casual cool, and sometimes it's drama. My friends call me Wait. This is one I meant to grab. And I even said Chloe because I was looking at her, and I meant to grab Jade. Whatever! Now we're opening Chloe, and we'll go back to Jade in a sec. Will I try to think out what the rest of these doll videos will look like? No. No, I will not. I should have came out here prepared a lot more. Anyways. How was you guys' Monday? Y'all probably aren't gonna see this on Monday. Now that I wait a whole week to post this, you're gonna see it on Monday. It's not even Monday, it's Tuesday. I decided that I was gonna get no sleep last night, to be honest with you. And then I decided I was gonna get no sleep last night. And then I was gonna be responsible and get up. You know what? I'm fucking over it. So just came out here with scissors in the first place. Like, you literally have been opening. All the neighbor dogs are just so upset on my side. They're like, what are you doing? What are you talking about? Who are you talking to? Not the fuck you, dog. What was I saying earlier? I thought I was asking you guys how your day was and things. Do you have any plans for this October? Oh my god, what's your Halloween plan? You know what you're dressing up as for Halloween? Like, you got less than 30 days. Less than 30 days. What are you wearing? What are we wearing? Are we matching? Are we wearing matching costumes, baby? Oh, baby, thinking about me that much? You want to match Halloween costume? Oh my god. Anyways, one thing I'm really fucking excited about is the fact that I have opened one of these for sure. I was just too excited. I don't know if you guys will see that footage. I have it months ago. Excuse me. But those bitches ain't got posters. Those bitches ain't got posters. And if you are a real baddie, you know about the fucking crap poster collection. Okay. So whenever the studio finally is getting put together, these bitches are gonna be on the wall. These bitches are going to be on the wall. Yes, I had a cousin who was absolutely spoiled by her parents, and she had all the Bratz. She didn't fuck about the Bratz posters, so I used to take them. I did. I think like it started out with me asking her for them, but then after a while, this bitch would just pop up with literally. There was a day that we were at this girl's house, and we go down into her basement, where there is just a mound of Bratzdolls. When I say so many, like, she had all of them. She had the tent, she had the DVDs. Actually, I don't think she had DVDs. I think I had DVDs. I know she had the Barbie movies. Anyways, she had mounds and mounds of fucking Bratz down there, and like we were just down there playing. And this is like one of my first times ever going down there, and like we're digging out stuff or whatever. And I tell you, we found like a box full of all the fucking Bratzdolls. She had just cried to her parents and made them take her to the store to get a new fucking Bratzddoll that day. Like, my mama would never. And my niece, that little girl she collects one of the same dolls that I do. We collect Rainbow High dolls together. I think her collection is bigger than mine with the Rainbow High dolls, for sure. But yeah, that girl, I know for a fact, that little one's got hella unopened dolls. Okay. Poster reveal. I do think that the Rainbow High dolls need to start doing posters in their things. I don't know if that's a thing. I have only opened one of those dolls ever. What's that poster right there? Okay. 3 dolls. Still in the box. She's still in the box. Ooh. I let you take a shit on your friends. I decided to sit outside. I found the technique. You don't need to open all of them. You don't need to open all the tape. Oh, I didn't read what was on Jade's box. Okay, well, we're gonna read Yasmin's and then I'll go back to Jade. I said that last time and I'll switch to another hub. Anyways, it says, "Hey, my name is Yasmin. My fashion passion is mixing classic vintage with modern staples. My friends call me Pretty Princess because I have a sweet and regal style." Okay, honey, then before I forget this one, because I know that they all say something a little different. It says, "Hey, my name is Jade. My fashion passion is style that makes a statement. My friends call me Cool Cat because I'm the coolest cat they know." Coaster time. Y'all gonna get one more coaster. One more. Oh no! They fucking hate me. My poster is ripped. My poster is ripped. What the fuck? Anyway, slay Yasmin. The girls bangs. The girls bangs. Cause listen, her crispy bang. It's crispy as fuck. Okay, and then you got your mom over here and her bang. Stiff. I did have another. The back of this Chloe's box says, "My name is Chloe and I rock. My fashion passion is exotic animal prints and sparkly fabrics. My friends call me Angel because that's what I am." Did it even say anything about? Oh, it did. It is. I was like, "Any of they have anything on here?" Oh, I'm gonna open that from the top. I don't know why. Oh my god. Ooh. Well, I don't want to ruin anything. Oh, this poster. There she is. I think she's got pigtails or her hair just pulled back. Your hair just pulled back. It's alright. Oh, ew. I forgot. So, short little story. This is a video full of short little stories. Cheers, my love. Cheers. If you don't have anything to drink, there's a fucking little gnat flying around me. If you don't have anything to drink, you already know. I don't even gonna say it. Anyways, I personally always hated how Bratz hair feels, especially directly out the package. Even though it's out, kind of cute. And like sometimes you can't get the hair back exactly like that, but I think that's fine. Now we got Miss Ham. My Lord and Savior, my Beyonce. Sasha! Hey boo! My name is Sasha. My fashion passion is streetwear with flair. My friends call me Funny Boo because I'm old school hip hop. That's what the fuck you said? I didn't read that sentence right. I'm not going. It says because old school hip hop is my thing. My brain was reading that way too fast because I got. Shut up. I don't have to explain myself to you. You know I'm dyslexic. And then that one word where your brain feels in all the extra. Because I don't have to work on getting her out, so we'll just go ahead and do a coaster review. Ooh. I'm surprised that this entire time I've opened those the correct way. Like each time. I'm actually genuinely surprised. Okay. Come on now. Come on now. Give me my fucking toy. She's so goddamn pretty. Like, yes. She's so damn pretty. You can't even see her little platforms, but look at them. Okay, this is still on, and that my camera's still rolling. Because if not, this be a waste of time. Her little pigtail. Ooh. Oh, just look. Let me get you close. Look at that little crunchy. Snatch face. Beautiful face. Crunchy hair. But we still love her though. It's fine. This is the 2024 International Women's Day Hot Wheels. If you don't know, I collect Hot Wheels, now you do. And I don't care, I've always opened my Hot Wheels. Now that one, because I'm like, I've heard, I don't care. I like them, I like Hot Wheels, I do. I ended up finding the Monster High Hot Wheels a few months ago. And I had got a Magic 8 Ball one, and you shake it, and a little Magic 8 Ball like moves around, and it's like, not well. What? New Hot Wheel, this is collection. I'll give you a little look. Little. Baby Sasha. Hell yeah. I know this is weird, but I used to want to keep the big clips off these boxes so bad. And I used to have this one as a child. And I can't wait to gnaw this fucking ponytail. As soon as I get it out, I don't care. I'm going to. Don't judge me. I just have to see if when I was a kid, that, like, was that right? Was that right? And then on the back of this box, it says, before they were Bratz, they were avant, Ted Bratz. They just tricked me into speaking a different language. Anyways, before they were Bratz babies. Why would you put 2 or 3 of the same sentences? Step back in time with Bratz and see how it all became as they express themselves with baby gratitude style. Should I be the one trying to tell them how to spell when I'm dyslexic and can't spell? They did it again. I was about to start reading this. It says, my name is Bonjour, hola, no. And then her name was to the side. It says Sasha next to it. Why would you put this like that? Anyways, I'm gonna take the little pamphlet thingy off of here because I think I probably want to keep it for keepsakes. Might make little arts with it. I don't know. How, like, all these toys and things, they say, like, you know, remove all plastic or whatever the fuck is a children hazard to children. But yeah, this is like child's choice, so it's like, child-proof it. I would be having the worst Christmas. Apparently, I did get this one as a kid. But was it mine? Probably. I don't think I would. I think probably because I was an angry ass child. And look at you see what I'm trying my hardest not to. Because like I low key her little bottle. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah. What? Okay, so this has always pissed me off. Why the fuck you got rubber band around her neck? Why the fuck do they put rubber bands around the doll's necks? You're sending her with a choking kick already? Are you okay? Satisfying? Yeah, I see why I was doing it. Yeah. So much, whatever. I don't. This isn't a Funko Pop, but it's pretty much same thing. It's a minority. It's I don't know what these like toys are, but it says it's series 1, and it does have 4 of them. It has Hello Kitty, My Melody, Karomi, and Sinamon Roll. And truly, I wanted the Sinamon Roll one, but this was the only one that was available, so that's the one I got. This little thing, I'm gonna say that. Stop putting fucking rubber bands around a goddamn neck. Toy companies, do you hear me? Jesus. You can't take it down! Anyways, I'm not getting closer. I'll zoom for you. She's absolutely adorable. She has the cutest, sparkliest eyes, and I'm absolutely excited about that. I'm gonna put it in the shit. I do have a toy box I started with all my dolls, so that's where the dolls will be going. Appreciate the dolls. From one non-official doll, because I'm cis, but you know how I feel about being a doll. I'm a bratzdolls, a Barbie doll. Just not an LGBT trans doll, but it's okay. I still love to support y'all. And I didn't even say it, but this one I got last year for my birthday too, because Hello Kitty's 50th anniversary was around my birthday, so yeah. And this was her birthday Funko Pop. Yep, and it's so cute. She's literally like see-through. It's like those fucking, back in the 90s when they made all the see-through technology. Like, it would be really cool if they made like a robot version of her, where she like, you can see her mechanical insides. Mommy Samuel, you probably got one. Funko Pops usually a break. I don't know. I didn't start collecting Funko Pops until, okay, so what happened was I found Ironheart. And her Funko Pop just looks too cute, like she's all pink. Alright, babes. Last 2. So I'm gonna say one shout out to Camille, my bestie boo, my baby, my soul wife. I love Monster High, but I had no interest in collecting the dolls. I have no choice but to collect dolls now. Thank you, Camille. We love you, because if anything, I'm getting all of the Venus Nick flytrap, or is it just Venus flytrap? Is her name? What is her name? What is her name? Who is this? Anyways, I do kind of feel like the 2 dolls that I got, Cleo been my girl. I will be collecting, I think the other, I don't have Draculaura, but I love Draculaura, obviously. Y'all know me, anything pink, anything goth pink, anything pastel goth pink. So, we're making good decisions. And I don't know if I will just collect is these the Skeletor mystery, what are these, Skullmate Secrets? Whatever these fucking cool ass shits are, because like not play sets, but you see this? This is the case that the doll is in, and like, she has a home. I will be collecting the rest of these, if I can. I don't know if I'll be going into any more Monster High things after that, but I am going to save that video, well, these dolls, for another video, because if you are a fan of Monster High and or these dolls specifically, you know that this unboxing is not a simple, I'm opening and taking her out, so we are just going to, pack it up for now. Try to get it. Yeah. Anyways, my day's already been started. I hope that you enjoyed your time here. Sorry, it was all over the place. I had no plans. I had nothing to talk about. I literally just came back from a walk and was like, open them doors here, open them doors here. So that's what I did. I love you as always. I'm sorry if any of this was too loud or too quiet. Shit, I didn't even get back in the box. Anyways, I love you. I hope you have an absolutely amazing day, night, evening, whenever you watch this. I hope you're just enjoying your time. I love you, and don't forget, subscribe, like, comment, tell me what your favorite Monster High doll is, tell me who your favorite Bratz is. Yeah, and I'll see y'all probably literally like in a few, because I got hella videos coming. So see you on my next cosplay. Bye.